Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your nursing entrance exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content. Most exams, like the TEAS or HESI, cover subjects such as reading comprehension, mathematics, science, and English language usage. Taking a diagnostic practice test is crucial. It helps pinpoint areas where you need the most focus. This initial assessment will guide your study plan, ensuring you allocate your valuable time effectively across all sections. Next, develop a structured study plan. Aim for consistent study sessions, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily, 5 days a week. Divide your study time among the different subjects based on your diagnostic results. For instance, if science is a weak area, dedicate 45 minutes to it each session. Incorporate short breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to maintain focus. A well-organized schedule prevents burnout and ensures comprehensive coverage of all material. To truly master the material, employ active learning strategies. Don't just passively read. Instead, work through hundreds of practice questions. Create flashcards for key terms, formulas, and scientific concepts. Explaining difficult topics aloud, even to an imaginary audience, significantly boosts retention. Consider joining a study group to discuss concepts and quiz each other. Regular, active review of your weakest areas will transform them into strengths. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. In the final 2 weeks, take several full-length, timed practice tests under realistic conditions. This builds stamina and reduces test anxiety. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a balanced meal on exam morning. Arrive early at the testing center, feeling confident and calm. Remember, consistent preparation and a positive mindset are your best tools for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.